In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Dropbox files on your computer. Let's start with the basics so you feel confident right away. When the Dropbox desktop app is installed, you get a special Dropbox folder in your File Explorer or Finder on a Mac. Anything you move or save into that folder automatically uploads to your Dropbox in the cloud. The magic works both ways too. If you upload a file on Dropbox.com or add something from your phone, it will automatically show up in that same Dropbox folder on your computer. As your files move back and forth, you'll see status icons that tell you what's happening. A green check mark means the file is fully synced and available offline, so you can open it without internet. A blue refresh icon means it's currently syncing, either uploading your changes or downloading from the cloud. And a cloud icon means the file is online only. You can still see it in your folder, but it isn't taking up space on your hard drive until you open it. When you double-click an online-only file, it downloads, you'll see the blue refresh while that happens, and then it turns into a green check mark when it's ready. Here's a quick tip to avoid confusion. If you've just moved a big batch of files, give Dropbox a moment to finish. Wait for the blue refresh icons to turn green before you disconnect from the internet or power down. That ensures everything is backed up and consistent across your devices. Now, if you're running low on space, Selective Sync is your best friend. Click the Dropbox icon in your system tray. Next, click your profile picture or initials and choose Preferences. Go to the Sync tab. Click Selective Sync, sometimes labeled Select Folders. From here, check the folders that contain the files you want to keep synced and actually stored on this computer. When you're done, click Save. Selective Sync controls which folders are physically downloaded to your device. Anything you leave unchecked stays safely in the cloud and won't take up local storage. You can still access those folders on Dropbox.com or your phone, and you can come back to Preferences anytime to change the selection. If you later need a folder you left unchecked, just return to Selective Sync, check it, and click Save. Dropbox will download it, and you'll see the blue refresh icon while it syncs. That's it. Use the Dropbox folder for seamless syncing. Watch the icons to know your status at a glance and turn to Selective Sync to save space without losing access. Thanks for watching.